Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take your payments for your listing on Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now, you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. So now all you need to do is to go to your selling inbox, or just go to inbox, and here you will find selling. And basically here you will find all the chats between you and the buyer. And basically you can see your command, or you will find here your orders, and basically between you and the buyer you can set up a payment method. Basically the Facebook Marketplace is a cash on delivery method, but in some countries it can be able to have like a shipping method or a distance payment. So basically all you need to do is to set up a plan between you and the buyer so you can meet them in person, so you can give them the order. So all you need to do is label chat, and then you can label it as you want. And after you take the payment personally, after you create a plan, so you go to view meetup plan after you create it, you can either meet him in public or have a door pickup or door drop off. Also, you can set up a payment method between you and the buyer, so you can tell him to pay you on PayPal or have a bank transfer, etc. And after you receive the payment and the sale has been finished, all you need to do is to go more option and mark as paid, and you will confirm the order and you will have your and that's it. So basically this is how you can take your payments on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for watching and see you next time.